Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Dilophosaurus Surprise Fold. Now this is one of the fun spitting dinosaurs from the new Jurassic World Dominion movie, so hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Dilophosaurus Surprise Fold, let's begin by folding our paper. We're going to begin by folding it in half, and it's like we're making a birthday card. Just line up the corners and give it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, go ahead, give it another fold, and go ahead and give it another nice little crease down here. And that way it looks like a big birthday card. Now when you open it up, you have three little lines, and these serve as great little guidelines to hide the inside of your picture. Now to start off with our Dilophosaurus, let's begin with the eye. I'm going to start right here. And we're just going to make a little line. It's just going to go down and come back like a check mark. Next, we're going to curve this down and then bring it up for the eye. Then I'm going to go and make a little circle in there. And then we'll color in most of it, leaving just a little bit white. Then I like to add a little line or two right underneath here for a little bit of detail. Next, starting here, we're going to bring this line up, and then it's going to come down. Then we're going to draw a little line over, and then we're going to bring it a little bit farther over and then down. I'm going to bring this down and then in. Then we're going to go down and we're going to come over and up here. Then starting here, we're going to draw a little line that comes down to connect it. And then right here, I'm going to make a little kind of oval shape that's colored in. Then right here, I'm going to make an oval shape, but I'm not going to fill it in all the way. I'm going to leave a little bit open. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. It's going to go up at an angle, and then it's going to come right back down here. Then we're going to make a little broken line that comes right around it. Then I'll add a couple little lines in here just for a little bit of detail. Now, starting here, we want to make that big kind of frilly part of the Dilophosaurus. So I'm going to start right up here. We're going to make lines going to come up. And we're just going to make these like little points all the way around here. So we're just going to bring this down to here. We'll do the same thing here. We're just going to go down. And then we're just going to kind of bring them up with these little triangle shapes. And then I'm just going to draw a little line here, and then a little line right down here. Now, once we have this all drawn out, then we can open it up and add all the details on the inside. Now, after you open it up, the first thing you want to do is you want to connect these two lines. So we'll go ahead and we'll bring these two lines together. Then we want to draw this line down a little bit and this line up a little bit. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm going to bring it all the way back to here, and you can see I stayed right underneath that line. Then I'm going to bring this down,
bring it over and then connect it. I'm going to add a little line here for the back of the mouth, and we'll put a couple little lines in here. Then I'm going to add some sharp little teeth in here on the top and on the bottom. I'm going to add a little line that's going to go down and then up and then back down for the tongue. And then we're going to connect this with just a long, kind of wavy, frilly line right there. And then we want to add some of that kind of like black goo that it shoots out. So we're going to go ahead and just make some wavy, kind of bumpy lines right on here for some of that black goo. And we're going to make it kind of going all over the place. So we're going to add some more little spots right around there. Then I'm just going to add a couple little lines that just come out. And these are just going to add a little bit of detail onto that kind of like big mane or frill that our Dilophosaurus has. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Dilophosaurus Surprise Fold. So when you have it all folded up, you have your Dilophosaurus, and then when it's all opened up, he's shooting his black kind of goo ink out. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.